Hi everyone, it's Levi from Wall Street Survivor, and today we're talking leveraged ETFs. Now, what in the world is a leveraged ETF? Well, we talked about ETFs, or exchange traded funds, in some of my previous videos. We learned that they are essentially mutual funds that trade like stocks. If you don't quite have a grasp on that yet, watch the rest of the How to Invest in Stocks videos on our YouTube channel. Leveraged ETFs take the idea of an ETF and combine it with a technique called leveraging. If you know anything about margin trading or derivatives, all of those concepts come into play when forming a leveraged fund. The simple explanation is that a leveraged ETF uses a combination of derivatives and debt to track and multiply the returns of an index. Where standard ETFs simply try to move in the same direction as an underlying index, leveraged ETFs do that but at 2 times or 3 times the return of the underlying index. For instance, TQQQ is a leveraged ETF that tracks the NASDAQ 100. And as you can see here, the NASDAQ 100 went up by about 1% today. So with a 3 times leveraged fund like TQQQ, it should go up by about 3%. If we look at the data, it went up by about 3. Investors use leveraged ETFs in the short term when they are highly confident in the direction a certain market is moving. There are leveraged ETFs for many types of investment avenues. Check out my article on the Wall Street Survivor blog that lists the top funds for each asset class. As you can see, there are leveraged ETFs for stocks, commodities, bonds, currency, real estate, and a lot more. Now, while you can make a lot of money in a short period using these funds, you can also lose money quickly in them. Let me show you. I have 2 leveraged ETFs in my portfolio for the Wall Street Survivor Fall Trading Contest. These funds are Nugget and SQQQ. Now, Nugget's doing really well for me with a 10% return in just 3 days. That's awesome. SQQQ, however, is tanking fast, and I probably need to figure out an exit strategy before I lose more money holding that fund. So that's the short and sweet on leveraged ETFs. If you want to learn more, check out my other How to Invest videos, my article on the Wall Street Survivor blog, and trade against me in the Fall 2018 official stock trading contest. There's $1,000 up for grabs for the winners, and I'm hungry for competition. I've put the links for all of those things underneath the video, so check those out. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more coming soon.